What's going on, my friends, and welcome back. We got another exciting video for y'all. So this is an RC monster truck for ages 8 and older. This is the DE61 remote control monster truck. It's a 1/12 scale, elevating cases or chassis, 2.4 G, 4-wheel drive. Let's get unboxing. So guys, every single video and every product I review, I give you my honest opinion. These are all real user experience unboxing videos. So I have not seen the truck before. I have not tested it out. I have done nothing with it. You guys get a real user experience from unboxing to testing to my final results. So right away we see that they provide you with a manual. It is taped underneath here. So you are going to want to pull that out. Give the charging cable for probably the battery, a screwdriver, and a manual. There's also 2 boxes under here. We'll check what's in there. It is zip tied underneath it, so make sure you have your parent do this for you. It's definitely really cool looking. Let's see, and then we got these. So these, I think you just turn. Actually, it's a little tough. Oh no, so you turn it and then you just pop it off. And that's for the remote. Just a standard little remote. On off switch. Let's see, yeah, so you're gonna need the screwdriver for the battery compartment for the remote. We'll get to that in a minute, my friends. Let's go ahead and pull this up. Just be gentle with it as you're pulling it up. All right, so here we go. Wow, that's got some clearance. Check that out, my friends. Look at that clearance. Wow. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. So look how fully adjustable this is. Look how we're twisting it. This is gonna be really cool. So there are clips here and you can take off the body. So in those white boxes, they do provide you with 2 batteries for a lot more extra fun. And they just clip right into here. So we took the battery compartment off under there. And for charging, you just simply connect your cable here, and this is USB charge, so you plug this into any USB port. But you just line this up. There we go. Line it up, and now plug it into a USB port. We're gonna go ahead and charge it while we're showing you guys that. It lights up red when it's charging. Okay, let's go ahead and see what batteries it takes. It's probably going to take either triple or double A batteries. They do not provide them, so you will need to provide them for yourself. And it looks like it's 2 double A batteries. So it takes 2 double A batteries. Alright, so the batteries are all in. Everything's in. Turn it on. Oh my word. Check this out, guys. You can automatically adjust the height. We gotta get our camera down here, ground level. You guys gotta see this. This is really cool. So let's see if we can adjust our camera angle here. Check this out, my friends. Adjusting the height. Look at that. And then you can go for full clearance. Woo! That's got some power to go.